Let's be real. Our lives are full of struggles. From waking up in the morning to going to bed at night, we face struggles and challenges throughout our day. It could be your boss yelling at you, unexpected breakups, rush hour traffic, or whatever these daily struggles make you feel. Happiness might seem hard to attain, but the truth is, it's actually quite easy. There are plenty of little things you can do to brighten up your day. So I will share with you 6 of my favorite tricks that I use every day to brighten my daily life. Number 1. Start your day with a glass of water. No doubt, this is the easiest way to make a positive change in your daily life. In the human body, almost 60% is comprised of water. Water is essential for the functioning of the human body. Try this for 1 week straight. All you have to do is to drink 8 ounces of water when you wake up. When you drink water on an empty stomach in the morning, harmful toxins are released and your body will be fresh and healthy. Do this little trick straight for 1 week. It will definitely change your daily perspective lifestyle. Number 2. Make your mirror your crush. Self-love. Something we all know, but we do not know the answer to is how we can love ourselves. When people say, all you have to do is love yourself, it's like telling a child in kindergarten to solve a university math equation. So instead of telling you to love yourself, I will show you a simple way to do it. Here is my honest advice. This consumes 120 seconds out of the 86,400 seconds you have per day. Take 2 minutes each day and stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and smile. Think about how lucky you are and rejoice. Try to appreciate your looks. See how beautiful you are? Compare yourself with people who are uglier than you and appreciate what you already have. Instead of being jealous of those who are better than you in looks, skills, or anything else, always try to see that there are people who are less fortunate than you, and be proud of what you see in the mirror. There are over 6 billion people in this world, and no matter where you come from, I'm sure you're lucky, at least in front of millions of people. Doing this for a few days will give you confidence and boost your happiness. From today, be prepared to spend 120 seconds in front of a mirror. Results will be fascinating. Number 3. Listening to music. Music. Music is a shortcut to mood enhancement. Music is not just about lyrics. If we deeply listen to our favorite music, we can notice it directly touches our heart. Music lowers stress and improves health. One study showed that listening to upbeat music can brighten our moods and uplift our spirits. Music has its own way of entertaining our souls and giving us pleasure. All you have to do is create a list of cheerful songs and listen to them with full attention. Bonus point. If you have a bit of privacy, dance. Think about something you have recently achieved and celebrate it. Scream, shout, jump, clap, you name it. It's a dance step. Thanks to Bruno Mars, Rihanna, Drake, Ed, and Madonna. Every day a Friday for me. How about yours? Let me know in the comments section below. Number 4. Read books. Maybe this one doesn't qualify as little things, but this will be a good daily habit to brighten your day. No matter how stressed you are, this will help you to get rid of it. Studies have shown that reading has strong positive effects on the brain. A well-written book can transport you to another world. When you are engaged in a good book, the stress of real life goes away and allows you to relax. To give you an edge in life, read as much as you can. Read at least an hour a day. Number 5. Always smile. Smiling can brighten your day instantly and make you feel more energetic. Try this test. Smile now. And now, try to think of something negative without losing the smile. It's hard, isn't it? Every time you smile, it makes your brain feel a little better. Smiling can trick the body into helping you elevate your mood because the physical act of smiling activates neural messaging in your brain. Even when a smile feels unnatural or forced, it still sends the brain and ultimately the rest of our body the message that life is awesome, it's free. So do not hesitate to smile throughout the day. Number 6. Cat videos. This may sound strange, but this always works like magic for me. When my energy is low, I go to YouTube and watch cat videos. You may be wondering now, thousands of categories. What is so special about cat videos? Did you know that there are 3.8 million videos and photos of cats on the internet? In 2018, there were 26 billion views on YouTube. This means that on average, one video has 13,000 views. At the same time, the top average niche, entertainment, has only 9,800 views per video. Why do so many people like to watch cat videos? Parade magazine recently wrote a short article about the benefits of watching cat videos on the internet. They cited an Indiana University study that found watching cat videos boosted positive emotional energy. Survey participants confessed that they were more energetic and motivated after watching videos of cats. Cats are natural comedians. They make us smile and they make us feel good. They are soft, cute, and stupid in a good way. Just search cat videos on YouTube and you'll see millions of videos ready to make your day better. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about life, then feel free to subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know in the comments section down below what you think about this video. Stay tuned.